So let's discover together how to ask the nationality of a person in French, obviously. So the first one will be the simple one. What is your nationality? Quelle est votre nationalité? Quelle est votre nationalité? Quelle est votre nationalité? So as you can see, I'm using the votre, so the polite form. I'm not using the ta nationalité, because I assume that you want to be polite with this person. So let's see the second option. Where are you from? Vous venez d'où? Vous venez d'où? Vous venez d'où? In French, we tend to use this venir. Venir, it's to come, and then we combine it with the preposition de, from. Venir de, to come from. Obviously, in that situation, as you can see, we've got a vowel after, so will have to go away, and we'll put the apostrophe. Vous venez d'où? Next one. What country are you from? De quel pays venez-vous? De quel pays venez-vous? De quel pays venez-vous? As you can see, we keep the same logic. Venir, and then venir is combined with de. So that's the reason why you've got this de quel pays. From what country you come. If you translate it directly like that, it sounds a bit strange in English, but de quel pays venez-vous? And the last one, which country do you come from? Vous venez de quel pays? So you can see that in that situation it's less formal because we keep the order like subject, verb. Still we use the vous form because we want to be polite. So vous venez de quel pays? Voilà, merci beaucoup.